How's it going, Phonlab? It's Root Junkie here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what accessories, what equipment we might be needing to be able to unlock phones with MacBook setup. Okay, and one of the things you're going to notice on a lot of MacBooks, especially the new ones, is the fact that as this one, well, this one's lucky. This is an older one. This actually has a standard USB port. Now, a lot of them have micro USB Type-C. Okay, they have a lot of those kind of ports on them. So you definitely need a minimum of 2 ports, probably 3 or 4 is even better. And because of that, that's why I've got something like this, okay? This is a little dongle that just splits your USB port to multiple ports. And now you've got all these other ports that you can utilize to plug in phones, to plug in flash boxes and whatnot. So I highly recommend these. They're not very expensive. Now if you have a newer MacBook or Mac Mini, whatever it is, you can get something like this. This is USB Type-C, and it does go to USB, standard USB card readers, HDMI out. It even has another USB Type-C here, so you can plug in there, and you can actually pass through voltage. So you could plug in your power here and this into your computer, and then have these other ports still open. So definitely a nice little dongle. Another thing that you're going to want to have is a USB flash drive / OTG drive. These are really cool. You'll use these quite often transferring files around. So definitely something handy to have. And then last, if you do not want to boot Windows off of your internal drive, you can get something like this. This is a My Passport hard drive, and you can actually boot Windows off of this hard drive, which is really cool, and you'll see that later. Also, if you just need extra storage for storing firmware and files for phone repairs, it's a great thing to pick up, and they're not very expensive. So if you've got some of these or what you need to get enough USB ports and things set up on your MacBook, check these out. They're definitely really nice. You'll find them in the video description down below. Pretty much everything that I have here. I would highly recommend this one specifically, just because it just helps with giving you a lot more ports as long as you have a standard USB on your MacBook. But guys, that's going to wrap it up for this little quick video. Just want to show you all these different features, and I think they're going to come in quite handy for you. Let's go to the next video and learn how to get Windows set up on a MacBook.